Hello everyone, welcome to ElliottWave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Friday, July 31st. The time is 3:30 a.m. GMT. So let's take a look here. For today's chart of the day, we'll be looking at the Nasdaq. This is a 60 minutes chart right here, and we can see that we are calling this pullback currently ended with 2. So we have P here and then C here, and we have 5 ways down. We're gonna be zooming out a bit to get a context about this move, but as of now, the Nasdaq has started to rally again. We're calling this rally now 1 2 and then another 1 2. So in other words, it's 5 ways up, in which this is in progress right now within the wave 3 in the black degree. So as far as we stay above 10301, we can potentially go higher. Okay, but at this point, this is no longer what we call extreme area. If there is any pullback, so the fact of the matter is, until we break to new high again in the Nasdaq, if we take a look at the daily chart, right? Okay, let's zoom out now. Call this BNC into here. So you can see this is 1 and 2. So this is an ABC flat here. Okay, or zigzag ABC. I mean, this one does not break above here, so I think this is better be counted as a flat. And then now we have resumed higher again. Now, unless we actually break above all this previous peak here, there is always a chance that it can do a double zigzag and go down again, right? So this is no longer an extreme area here in this pullback, but this, however, is an extreme area with the blue box, because that's where you got your real 3 years pullback here from the peak, right? So this is the real sort of extreme area where we have a good chance for to see a reaction. And the extreme area we always highlighted in the blue box, we actually bought it here in the live trading room when we tell the members. Okay, so now if anybody bought it in the blue box, then at least at this point, the position is already risk free, in the sense that you can move your stop loss to your entry level. So in case it fails to make new high from here and breaks down again, so nobody is gonna get hurt, because people bought it at the right level in the blue box here. So again, currently we are calling it completed, but until we break to new all-time high, technically you cannot rule out a double correction. Now, looking at the daily chart now, you can see we are still within the same cycle, most likely from March 23rd, which is the COVID-19 low. Okay, now even though we are calling this 1 2, but this is part of it could be part of a wave 5. So this is a lower degree, and I mean, if you want to count, you can count this, let's say 1 2, something like that, 3 4, right? And then, or 3 here and 4 here. So we are within the same 5 ways up here from March 23rd, in which this is 105, 205, and so now we should be looking for continuation higher. But remember, the cycle is quite mature here. Okay, so we could be ending any moment, but at this point we still can extend higher as far as we stay above this 10,301 over here. Okay, so a break above here is going to open up more upside, obviously, if we can break to new all-time high, and then that will open up for the upside in the Nasdaq. So that's the update from the Nasdaq for today. And as always, if you want to check our service, please feel free to try our 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video below. See you all again next week. Have a good weekend to you all.